Okay, bike check. Most popular two bikes in the market. S-Works and Lab 71. S-Works size 52. Wow. Wow. Robal Pulverized power meter. Wow. Power saddle. Size 52. Okay. Can you remove please the bike, bro? Can you remove? Let's put the Cannondale Lab 71. Size 56. Wow! This amazing bike. Shit, power meter also. Oversized pulley. Black ink wheels. Goldura Ace Momo handlebar.
With the speed sensor.
Speed sensor, size 56, ceramic speed. Oh. Wow. Impressive.